loved Christmas music, particularly the rock and roll side of Christmas music. Some of that stuff's been my favorite records. As a kid, the first time I heard Springsteen and the first time I heard U2 were as these Christmas recordings they made in the 80s. So Christmas music connects with me on several levels, and we're excited to do a cool show this Saturday. We have a show coming up next Saturday, the 21st. It's at Bullfrogs Live at Huntoon and Gage, and we're doing a big rock and roll Christmas show. That's our second year in a row doing the show. It's called Loud Soft Loud Christmas, a very loud soft loud Christmas. And this year we're combining forces with local heroes Monk's Wine, and we're forming one big supergroup. So it's all 6 of us, and on stage at the same time. 2 drum kits, and then the rest of the band's all combined, coming together to play just a cavalcade of holiday classics. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Last year, Chris asked me if I wanted to be a part of the festivities or what have you. I was pretty honored to be a part of that last year. It was a really special event. A lot of great musicians got involved. And this year, Chris emailed me and asked if the whole band this year wanted to be part of it, and that he was going to do something a little different, in that it would just be The Good Ambition and Monk's Wine, and rather than having multiple musicians on the stage, you know, interchanging throughout different songs or whatnot, it would just be the 6 of us. And I thought, man, what a great idea.
I had the idea several years ago when I didn't have a band and I wasn't connected to a music scene. And I thought it was such a good idea that I just kind of held on to it. Last year I was able to pull it off for the first time. Last year we featured 21 different musicians throughout the show and brought people on and off all night. It was a lot of fun. But it was a lot of work. So this year I wanted to kind of cut back and narrow the scope of who's involved so that we could really focus on making it the best show possible.
Everything is unique about this year, and it's similar to last year, but totally different. Last year was unique. This year's going to be unique. There's a lot of surprises for the kiddos that are going to happen. We've got 2 different shows this year. One's a matinee at 4 for the kids, and then one's a evening show for the adults, which is at 8. And they'll be kind of tailored sets to the children and to the adults. So there'll be some things going on there.
We're both 3-piece bands, so when you have a 3-piece band, everybody's used to playing their role, and when it's down to 3 people, every role is really crucial. There's nobody just doing a rhythm guitar that can just fade away into the background when someone else does the solo. So both bands have been programmed that way, that everything's crucial and everybody's filling up as much space as they can. But now we're joining forces.
Visually, I think this is going to be a really fun show. Musically, the 6 of us together is kind of an unstoppable force. So yeah, there's a lot going on that folks are not going to want to miss.